Hello everyone, I'm Putri Ardhia. I'm from class 12G. Here I will review traditional market snacks, namely Onde-onde.
Oh my god!
The reason I want to review Onde-onde is because what? I will explain it after this.
Oh my god! Wow!
Did you know? It turned out that Onde-onde is not from Indonesia, but from China.
我们一生注定是沧桑。
Onde-onde is believed to have a symbol of safety and togetherness. Together. Onde-onde is a traditional market snack that has a round shape like ball, which we usually eat is golden yellow in color, sprinkled with sesame seeds. Usually Onde-onde contains sweet mung beans. Onde-onde is made from white sticky rice flour. Here, I have two different types of Onde-onde. What's the difference? The color? Of course, not only that. Let's see that's inside the Onde-onde. Oh, so small. I usually buy Onde-onde in front of the Masjid Kapal. You know Masjid Kapal? You know this. Oh. This is way I want to review Onde-onde, even though the feeling is the same, namely mung beans. The taste and texture are different. Actually, the dough is the same, but only the inside is different. Unlike mung beans, that's a bit hard, not soft enough, but delicious. Okay, let's try the green one. A round version of adudu.
Oh my god!
Look at the peel mung beans. Whoa. Hey, they are really soft. I like the. I need water. Wait. Hello, how are you? I'm in the water.
Hello, how are you? I am under the water. Please help me.
I recommend you to try the green one. Where can you buy it? At the nearby traditional market, but the most delicious Onde-onde, in my opinion, is in front of the Masjid Kapal in Semarang. That's all my Onde-onde review. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.